Techie Tech Tips.
G'day everyone, Matt from Chase the Weekend. Just a little update on the 250 watt solar panel that we got from Kings. Did a little review on it. I'll tag it in the description below here. Just wanted to show you what this little panel's doing. It's currently 7 AM in the morning and the sun is just poking up over the trees. The panels are there. They are actually probably about 25-degree tilt, and the sun's over there, so not even facing the sun. And they're currently 80 watts. Currently doing 80 watts, 81 watts. 3.6 amps out of the panels, 6 amps into the batteries, 6 ampere hours. So we'll try again later at midday once the sun gets up a bit higher, and I'll check back in and see if we can hit that peak of 250 watts. So I didn't get back in time to check the peak of the solar panels, but as you can see on the app here, I'll just put it up on the screen. It did record a peak of 210 watts, so that's pretty good considering the battery had already had a fair bit of charge in it, and then 2 or 3 hours of charging, we got 210 watts. So back in the history, there's actually a day there of 220 something watts, so that's pretty good. As good as to be expected. Really happy with this panel and its performance. It is pretty large, trying to fit it into the truck, but look, if you've got the space, it's a great option. Easily keep up with fridges and lights and stuff like that. Packing up now, solar panels getting put away. Look, if you want to know anything more about the solar or Victron stuff or batteries or whatever, hit us up in the comments, send us a message, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, share, all of that fun stuff, and yeah, we'll see you around.